Okay, today we are going to discuss that is what we have to do the revision excretion and asthma regulation. Our topic name is excretion, excretion and asthma regulation. Asthma regulation. Asthma regulation. Already we know what is the meaning of excretion. Excretion means the meaning of excretion. The meaning of excretion means removal of what? removal of removal of metabolic wastages, removal of metabolic wastages from our body, okay, from the body, okay, removal of wastages from the body, that is we can call especially for what we call excretion. The meaning of excretion means what? Removal of metabolic wastages from the body, so that is we can call excretion. Here asthma regulation, the meaning of asthma regulation. Asthma regulation, what is the meaning of asthma regulation? Asthma regulation means what? Okay, control the water content, water percentage in our body. Control and maintains, okay, maintains proper control water percentage or maintain the equilibrium. So maintaining, what it maintaining? Equilibrium. Equilibrium means what? What is the meaning of equilibrium? Equilibrium means what? Same. Okay, maintaining equilibrium. So that is we can call especially for water percentage. It maintain the water percentage in our body. So that is we can call asthma regularity, asthma regulation. What is the meaning of asthma regulation? Just water. Asthma means water. The what it is balancing the water percentage in our body. So you have to write what balancing also. Use the word balance the water percentage in our body. Balancing equilibrium, maintain equilibrium, and control the water percentage in our body. That is we can call asthma regulation. So excretion, asthma regulation. Now, what we have to discuss? Excretory products. Okay, here, okay, removal of metabolic wastages. Metabolic wastages means in the process of respiration, digestion, circulation, excretion. So many metabolic wastages are formed in our body. These metabolic wastages send in outside the body. That is we can call especially for excretion. Now, which are called excretory products. Excretory products. Generally, excretory products are all excretory products are nitrogen wastages only. Excretory products are generally ammonia, urea, uric acid, guanine, amino acid, creatine, creatine, creatinine, and TMO, trimethyl amino oxides in teleosteous excretory material, TMO, and also what? Ornithic acid, ornithic acid, and okay, even carbon dioxide is also excretory material. Carbon dioxide, bile, sweat, sweat, and these are generally we can call excretory products. Okay, excretory products, okay, especially for ammonia, urea, uric acid, and okay, trimethyl amino acid, and hippuric acid, and allantoin, hippuric acid, Allantoin. Okay, these are the material generally we can call especially for excretory products. Okay, nature of excretory products. Okay, so based on these excretory products, these excretory products, based on these excretory products, the living organisms are classified into living organisms are classified, they're divided or classified into one is ammonotelic organisms. Ammonotelic organisms, ammonotelic organisms are ammonotelic animals, and second one is ureotelic organisms. Ureotelic organism. These are very important. And uricotelic organisms. Uricotelic organisms and aminotelic organisms. Aminotelic organisms and guanotelic organisms. Guanotelic organisms. Okay, listen here everyone. This is what, okay, here we are discussing about what? Based on their excretory products. Based on their excretory products. All excretory products is nitrogen products only, but their chemical composition is different. Okay, all excretory products are nitrogen products, their chemical composition is different. So, based on their excretory products, the living organisms are classified into ammonotelic organisms, ureotelic organisms, uricotelic organisms, aminotelic organisms, guanotelic organisms. Okay, so based on their excretory material. So, okay, in different organisms, different excretory products, there are excretes outside the body. They remove from the body. For example, human beings is there. Human beings are the example of what? Ureotelic organism. Why? Because our excretory material is urea. So that we are example of ureotelic organism. So the first one is aminotelic organisms. Okay. First one is aminotelic organisms, which are called aminotelic organisms. Aminotelic organisms means are animals means what? Which animals excretory material is ammonia? Which animals excretory material is what? Ammonia. That is we can call ammonotelic organisms. Ammonotelic means what? Simple. Ammonotelic means what? Which animals excretory material or excretory products is what? Ammonia. That is NH3. We can call that is ammonotelic organism. Mostly the 90% of aquatic means which are living in water. Aquatic animals excretory product is ammonia. Most of the animals excretory product is what? Ammonia. Ammonia chief excretory products of major primitive aquatic animals like protozoas, polychaetes, protozoa, polychaetes, polychaeta, okay, protozoa, polychaete, crustaceans, some molluscs, not all molluscs, some molluscs and teleost fishes, especially, okay, some fishes, especially for bony fishes, not for chondrites. Bony fishes, excretory material is ammonia. So these are called ammonotelic organisms. So their excretory material is ammonia. Okay, very important point about what ammonia. Here compare with other excretory material is ammonia is most poisonous. This is a very important. Most poisonous excretory substance. Compare with urea, compare with uric acid. Most poisonous excretory product is what? Ammonia. This is a very important. So most poisonous excretory material is what? Ammonia. So which type of organisms are living? Excrete what? Ammonia. Especially for ammonia is excreted by what? Especially for aquatic living organisms are excreting what? Ammonia. After that one next ureotelic organisms. Second one is ureotelic organisms. Don't confuse ureotelic organisms. Which are called ureotelic organisms? Ureotelic organisms means what? Which animals excretory material is urea. Generally, urea is also nitrogen substances only. But this urea excretory material, excretory substance of urea, that is we can call ureotelic animals. Ureotelic animals are examples are earthworms. Examples of earthworm excretory product is also earthworms. Some gastropods, that means molluscas. Some gastropods, not all. Some gastropods, even mammals. Mammals excretory material is also urea and elasmobranchial fishes. Elasmobranchial. Elasmobranchial fishes are nothing but we can call chondrichthyes fishes. Chondrichthyes fishes excretory product is very important. Chondrichthyes fishes excretory product is what? Urea. So the human beings are not able to eat what? Chondrichthyes fishes, shark fishes. Chondrichthyes fishes means what? Shark fishes. They are not able to eat what? Chondrichthyes fishes. Why they are not eating chondrichthyes fishes? Okay, chondrichthyes fishes means their excretory material is urea. When they are cutting that shark fishes, it will produce very bad smell. So nobody not able to eat what, especially for shark fishes. Okay, nowadays somebody eating, but especially most of them, the people are not eating what? Elasmobranchial fishes. So anyway, ureotelic organisms. After ureotelic in ureotelic organisms, some amphibians also, adult amphibians, that is a correct example. Adult amphibians, if you take the frog, when it is becomes okay adult, it is excretory material is what? Urea. So adult amphibians excretory material is also especially for what we can call urea is the major excretory product. And next one, uricotelic organism. Third one is uricotelic. Don't confuse urico. Uricotelic organisms. Uricotelic organisms. Example is what? Main excretory product is uric acid. Uric acid. Uric acid is a semi-solid substance. That means what? It is a little bit solid. It is little bit liquid. So it is a semi-solid substance, that is uric acid. And which organisms? Okay, excretory product is what? Uric acid. Okay, uric acid excretory product as a tortoise. Okay, especially for insects, terrestrial gastro. Okay, insects, insects, birds. Okay, birds and also insects, birds, and reptiles, especially for terrestrial gastropods, terrestrial reptiles, and okay, insects. Excretory product is what? Uric acid. This is the second poisonic excretory product. First one is ammonia, mostly poisonous. The second one is uric acid. Third one is urea. So, okay, uric acid are the excretory products of insects and birds and reptiles, some gastropods. Okay, some terrestrial gastropods excretory material is what? Uric acid. After uric acid, uricotelic organism, the fourth one is aminotelic organisms. Amino is different, ammono is different. here ammonotelic. Ammonotelic. Okay, aminotelic is different. Aminotelic organisms, their chief excretory product is what? Amino acid. Amino acid is the main excretory product is amino acid. Amino acid organisms are especially unio. These are the molluscas. Phyla, unio, these are what? Molluscas. Okay, Unio, and some echinodermatous like what? Starfish, sea cucumber, starfish, and sea cucumber excretory product is what? Amino acid. Amino acid. And next one, guanotelic. Fifth one is guanotelic organisms. Spiders. Guanotelic organisms. Which are called guanotelic organism? Which excretory product is what? Guanine. Guanine. Okay, which excretory product is guanine? Okay, which animal's excretory product is guanine means what? Especially for spiders. The spiders' excretory product is what? Guanine. So, based on their excretory product, the living organisms are ammonotelic organisms, ureotelic organisms, uricotelic organisms, aminotelic organisms, guanotelic organisms. The main excretory product. All excretory products are nitrogen substances only. The based on their nitrogen product substances, the living organisms are classified into different organisms. Okay. Next one, what we have to discuss? Other excretory products. So, what we have to discuss now? Other excretory products. Not only these, some animals are secreting secondary excretory products also. With them, they are releasing other excretory products. Excretory, other excretory products. Other excretory products are what? One is creatine and creatinine. So creatine. Second one is also creatinine. Creatinine is also what? Especially for it is a broken down of muscular protein, catabolism of muscular protein. It is secreting what? Especially for creatinine, formed during the metabolism of creatine derived from catabolism of muscular protein. Creatinine is formed by what? How it is formed means what? Catabolism, broken down. Catabolism of muscular protein. Muscular protein, whatever the proteins is there, actin, myosin, catabolism of muscular proteins, what will happen actually? Creatinine is formed. Okay, creatine generally, okay, this is during a catabolism of tissue protein. This is formed by tissue protein. Catabolism of tissue protein. So, both are almost the same only. Creatine and creatinine, catabolism of tissue protein. Especially for in which type of living organisms we will observe creatine. Creatine we will observe in children. So I will write here in children, pregnant women, and lactating women. Who are lactating women? Who are giving milk to the children. They are calling lactating women. The lactating women and children and pregnant women, in their excretory material is main excretory product is urea. With urea, there are also excrete what? This creatine also. So creatine and creatinine, these are formed by what? Catabolism of tissue protein and muscular protein. Creatine is what? Catabolism means divide. Catabolism of muscular protein. creatinine, that is creatine is formed by catabolism of what? Tissue protein. Try to remember that point. And next one, trimethyl amine oxide, TMAO. Okay, what is TMAO? So full form of TMAO, trimethyl amino oxide. Trimethyl amino oxides are the excretory product of marine teleost fishes. These teleost fishes are living in marine only. So ocean or marine. So this is called teleost fishes. Excretory product is what? TMAO. Trimethyl amine oxide. Okay, it is a non-toxic substance. It is a soluble in water, soluble and non-toxic. Non-toxic means it's not a poisonous. Non-toxic substance, which is TMAO, or in some books given TMO also. TMO or TMAO. Next one, ornithinic acid. Next one is ornithinic acid. Ornithinic acid is the substance that is excreted by small amount by birds and formed the combination of benzoic acid. In food, benzoic acid is there. Benzoic acid. Okay, it is combined with benzoic acid. That is what, especially small amount of by bird. These are excreted by ornithinic acid, and generally birds excrete material is uric acid. In food, in diet, it is combined with whatever ornithinic acid, that is ammonia. Okay, whatever nitrogen substance combined with benzoic acid and form what? Ornithinic acid. Ornithinic acid is the secondary excretory substance of bird. Small amounts there are excrete in birds, small amounts only. First excretory product, main excretory product of birds is what? Uric acid. But it is also sometimes it is secreting, releasing ornithinic acid also. Okay, ornithinic acid is formed with what? Benzoic acid. Next one, hippuric acid. Next concept is what? Hippuric acid. Hippuric acid. This is also one secondary excretory product we can call hippuric acid. Hippuric acid, benzoic acid present in diets of mammals combined with glycine. This benzoic acid combined with what? Glycine. Glycine is a substance, especially for benzoic acid and glycine combined and form hippuric acid. Okay, hippuric acid it is also less toxic material. This is also very less toxic material. Less toxic substance. Okay, some type of mammals and birds are releasing hippuric acid also. It is combined and form whatever in diet in our food. Benzoic acid is then benzoic acid combined with glycine and combined and form hippuric acid. So hippuric acid, that is also one type of excretory product. Okay, next one, tiradelines. Okay, tira. So this is also TP silent tiradenines. Okay, this is what tiradenines, pigments present in insects. These tiradenines, important pigments present in insects. Present in insects. Okay, these pigment what we call, that is a P silent. We can call especially for Tiridaines also we can call pigments present in the insects, excretes in fecal matter deposited in wings. Sometimes tiride means what? Wings. These pigments are what? Deposited. They excrete what? Which insects are excretes? Insects are excretes. Sometimes these tiridaines, okay, tiridaines are deposited on wings, insects wings. So that is the name given what? Pteridines. Okay, pteridines. Pteridines also one type of what? Excretory products. Okay, next allantoin formed by the oxidation of uric acid. Next one, allantoin formed by the oxidation of uric acid. Oxidation of uric acid. Oxidation of uric acid. These are what especially for secondary excretory substance. These are not main excretory substance. Okay, and amino acids excess of eliminated such as unio and equinodermata are amino acids also. These are what other excretory products. Whatever we discussed, these are other excretory products. Okay. Tomorrow we have to discuss the remaining concept. Now I will send the notes and try to learn the question and answers also. Okay, for unit test.